Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite people such as followers, contributors to your space on the quora.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and go to the space that you have created. After that, you should tap on this invite button at the top next to the admin button, and here you can select who would you like to invite. You can invite people to be followers, contributors, moderators, or admins. So tap on the relevant one and you can either search by name in your contents, or you can get the invite link by tapping on the copy button, and then you can forward the link to your invitees. Then you can import your mailing list from a file, and then you can import contacts from Google as well. So here you can check out what each of these roles includes. So a contributor can add content, moderators can manage submissions and content, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.